Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVGR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's movement, both these lines are irrelevant right now. Sure, they still pertain, just irrelevant. So I'm going to go ahead and use these for some of the near-term levels, just so we don't have lines all over the place and risk causing clutter and confusion. First area of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be right here at this 88.89 mark. I get it. Yeah, the price did close up above there, but let's see if this is a true break. A true break having two parts. The first part being, well, yeah, price has to get up above a certain level. The second part being, can the price stay up above that level? And that's what I still want to see because, yeah, the first box has been checked. The price is up above that area. But as far as can the price maintain above it, well, let's see how that plays out next week. So, like I said, 88.89 right around there is going to be that first key level to keep an eye on, and seeing if the price can stay above it, on Monday and Tuesday and so of next week. Now, in the event the price does pull back, let's talk about a couple areas of support. The ideal level of support going forward, when you say, hey, Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute best? That would be if the price can stay up above 82 cents. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 82, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be, a huge sign of power on the bull's part. But again, by no means is it a requirement or anything like that. Taking a step back and looking at all of this from a bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line there is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there I am defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 82 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. So all in all, great way to end the week, and we'll see how this one continues to play out next week, but congrats to all those that have held. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.